Now that you've evaluated the potential projects or tasks, it's time to evaluate your people. We're going to focus on how to assign these delegations. Knowing each person's strengths and weaknesses will help you make the most of each delegation opportunity. And that's just what delegation is, an opportunity. Each task has the potential to build the skills and abilities of each person on your team. By making strategic assignments, you can really shape the professional development of your staff. In order to choose the right person for each project or task, you must first assess all of your employees. You'll want to use the Evaluating People page. You need to make one copy for each person on your team. Set some time aside to reflect on each person. You may wish to review their most recent performance evaluation as well. First, think about when this person had a peak performance, a time when they really shined. What skills or abilities did they demonstrate? And what set that situation apart? How can you learn from that to help your employee do well in the future? The reason you do this first is because of the recency effect. Psychologists have known for a long time that our perception is most tinted by recent events. So in order to counteract that effect, you'll want to think back several months and focus on peak performances. Next, take time to assess their skill level in specific areas. There are 4 broad categories of skills to examine: task skills, people skills, management skills, and leadership skills. Let's look at each one in detail. Feel free to add industry or company-specific distinctions so that it's as relevant as possible. Task skills are directly related to projects or positions. They can include a range of specific technical abilities like computer programming, illustration, or accounting. Also consider broader skills like project management, time management, and attention to detail. Don't reinvent the wheel here. From your task evaluation process, you already have a list of potential tasks and projects. It's okay to just focus on those for now as you evaluate each person. People skills have to do with interacting with others. This would include things like communication, building rapport, resolving conflict, and customer service, to name a few. Management skills are about creating a safe and stable structure within which employees can do their best work. Managers supervise, evaluate performance, prioritize and delegate, and implement policies, among other things. Leadership skills are about having a longer-range vision and being willing to challenge the status quo to innovate. While creating change, they inspire others with their vision. Using the form provided, write notes about the employee's performance in each of the 4 areas. Pay attention to whether your assessment is based on recent data or something from the past. They may have improved since your last observation. Now that you've refreshed your memory, rate their skills from weak to strong in the 4 areas. Use a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being weak and 5 being strong. Finally, jot down notes about developmental goals for this person. Some of these may come from their last performance review, and some may come from this assessment. In what areas can and should the person grow this year? Set aside these forms for now, as we'll come back to them later. Now that you have a sense of your employees' skills and abilities, next you can start to think about assignments.